Hello everybody, JJ Shaves here. Welcome to the Shave Cave. It is Thursday the 1st of February 2024. We've done a month, guys, the longest month of the year. Yeah, that 645 days of January are over. Valentine's Day, guys, Valentine's Day. Yeah. Anyway, today's shave. I've got to do this. Look at that. I love that. And this is such a creamy texture, and it's Areffa. It's Unforgiven. It's a bare tallow base, and it's absolutely delightful. When I first opened it, I was a bit kind of, I might have made a mistake of that. It was nice, but not as nice as I was expecting. I've been using it a lot, a hell of a lot. So I've had to smooth it out to make it look nice and new for the videos. Doing these videos to try and use some more of my kit on YouTube and get some more variation out there. And I'm using a setup that I've been using for a while. I've used the beard shampoo. I've used it in my hair and my eyebrows, guys. After the shave, once I've cleaned down, I'm going to put on beard oil. Again, that's going to go on the beard, the eyebrows and the hair. Why not? Going to be using the aftershave as well. And like I said, I've used the beard soap and I've used the shower gel in the shower before coming in here and filming this for you guys. And I quite like it. Anyway, again, I'm using all my gear. That's why I'm doing these new videos. No, guys, it's the same. And this is because this brush, and this goes with the Unforgiven, with the old churchy kind of feel, with the brass razor. It all blends in well. So, back using these again. Anyway, so tomorrow is my first official, actual shift. I've worked a couple of shifts already, but they've been supernumerary. Shallow shifts, having a look around, being helped. Kind of like having a driving instructor. This is my first time without one. Quite nervous actually. Never worked in mental health before this. And now I look like Walter White. You know, when I looked in the mirror I thought, if this was in the barbers, I said to him, I need to get me a Winnebago, find some secluded patch of beach and start brewing some meth. Anyway, joking aside, this is lovely. It's got the sage, it's got the frankincense and myrrh oils and everything else in there. Can't remember the word, it's in the description below. I even wrote a little bit about it, I think. Or I will write a little bit about it. That's what I should have said. I will write something about it. I copy and pasted it in the notes that I'm going to write up from. But yeah, it all works beautifully. It's incredible. I just wish I had it at the beginning of December. Feels wrong using this after Christmas. However, this weekend is my family's version of Christmas. SEAS, as in SEAS. The South East Arachnid Show. Regular viewers and people that have kept track of me will know that we've got pythons, boa constrictors, North Carolina rat snakes, South Carolina rat snake, all these other weird and wonderful animals. We've got tarantulas, scorpions, praying mantises, they're awesome, millipedes, centipedes, frogs, newts, it goes on and on and on. So yeah, when it comes to my son's birthday, people go, oh, what do you want for your birthday? Money for C's. What do you want for Christmas? Money for C's. And from about May, how much longer till C's? yeah. Yeah, it's a bigger thing for my son than Christmas. I'm not too sure. Where should I take the sideburns? At the top here, or down the bottom of the ear, or in the middle of the ear? I'm thinking I'm going for the bottom of the ear. I might even drop it below the ear. I'll go bottom of the ear. So yeah, me doing these videos to use more of my kit. I used Blackland Blackbird last week. Apart from, I used the stainless steel closed comb. This is the brass open comb. I've used the same blade. It's the actual same blade because I'm seeing how far I can push the shaves on this. Open comb, people say it's aggressive. There's a lot more blade feel. I know exactly where that blade is. Well, I take that. I took that to there, so I'll take that to there. Which I like. Again, people that know me know that I'm a straight shaver first. I learnt to shave with an open blade. I used a cartridge once and hated it. Due to whatever it is in me, whether it's autism or whatever, to me, if you're using a cartridge razor and you've got these blades close together and they're filled up with like stubble and soap and dead skin and you leave it there, the bacteria, and then you're going to put that across your face. And potentially cut yourself. Not for me, guys. Probably didn't need that much there, but did it anyway. I do find lining up the side of my beard tricky. With a D, obviously with straight it's a lot easier, guys. So yeah, last week I was on the course, doing lots of fun things. Similar sort of thing to what I did for unarmed combat. I sprayed the water everywhere then. Simple little things, but I just basically how to handle people in the army. If somebody grabs you like that, you do that, you can use your arm, control them by their arm length. You have a hand here and a hand here, and you can do whatever you want with them. You know, in the NHS we're taught to roll out of it, so it's similar sort of thing, but different, very different. When you're doing everything you can to inflict discomfort and control, and the other one, you're doing everything you can not to end up in court for unnecessary force. Which do I prefer? I've had a couple of people ask me that. Tell you the truth, guys, I prefer nursing. hurt people, it hurts you. I joined the army to protect, to make a difference. Joined up as a Royal Signal Systems Engineering Technician. I wanted to be a nurse or a police officer. To which the sergeant in the careers office laughed. He said that I didn't want to do either of them. One was basically a class that nobody liked, and the other were a bunch of girls. Actually, biggest bunch of girls I've worked with were, and the biggest bunch of classes were Royal Signals. That is smooth. That Rapira blade, I think it's my third or fourth shave, and that's BBS. That's so. That's actually that is pretty much that's got to be one of the best DE shaves I've had. I can barely feel a thing anywhere. That's incredible. I do like those blades. I've got the silkiness that I get when I use a straight razor. I still find straight razor shaves last longer. If I was still in the military, I think with that shave I'd still pass an inspection tomorrow morning. I used to upset quite a few people, especially in the signals, where I would have a shave the night before everybody cleaned the ablutions. I'd get everything done the night before, then in the morning, having a shave, I could titivate everything that I'd already cleaned. And everybody else was cleaning the ablutions because they'd just had showers and stuff, or everybody's used one shower and had 4 people in the shower. And then 3 people around one basin having a shave. I wasn't. The only time I got picked up on inspection was when people said, Copper Chameleon has done the shave. What was even better than that, he said, come over. The warrant officer, RSM or something like that was doing the inspection. Have a closer look. Ask me if I had a shave. I'll say yes. They don't even feel my skin. Light blonde hair, guys. fine blonde hair. That's why I look bald all the time. Well, it's great if you've got military life. So I get away without shaving as often as everybody else. You know, it's all good though. I enjoyed it. When they said, "Oh, they said you didn't have a shave," I said, "They're bullying me." It soon stopped. Anyway. Beautiful shave kit from Areffa again. It's absolutely stunning. Alicia, thank you. That's absolutely amazing. Rubberset, thank you for putting me in touch with them. Helping me get this sort of stuff. Oh, it's made me happy. I have to shave, give it a good old shake because I'm certain there's several layers to this that needs a shake. Oh, it feels nice. So you guys know, this is like 8 o'clock in the evening. My son's in bed having stories read to him. That's why I've put a piece down here. So the main benefit of this will be my wife. When I go to bed, I will smell of her favourite scent. She loves this one. As I said, guys, I'm going to do the eyebrows as well. Why not? Although I don't have a lot of hair, you deserve a large area, so I'm going to put a little bit more in. There we go. That'll be good. That'll be nice. Moisturise. It'll be fresh. It's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh no, that doesn't go there. Goes there. That one goes. Sorry guys. I'll get it sorted in a second. There we are. And thank you. I have had a couple of new subscribers. I've had a couple of new customers, which is always good, always very good, because even though I'm doing this mental health thing, I am still keeping JJ Shaves ticking over in the background. If you hung on this long, thanks a lot guys, thank you, and I hope to see you on Sunday. I'm lining up a bit of a, no, I don't know, I can't remember. Actually, the 4th is actually a really good shave. You'll like that one. It's a nice shave. Because I'm doing Sundays 2 weeks in advance for some reason. I've got ahead of myself, which is good. Anyway, thanks a lot. I'll see you later. Goodbye.